Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming Python 3. 7 or newer and pip are available. This lets Xlwings bridge Excel and Python. Once done, run pip install Xlwings to add the package. Make sure Excel's developer tab is enabled so you can access macros and the add-in later. You're acting now to prepare both environments, Python packages plus Excel settings. This avoids permission errors later and gives you the tools to register the add-in and create your first workbook with Python-backed macros. Now register the Excel add-in by running Xlwings add-in install from your terminal. This copies and registers the ribbon. After that, open Excel and enable the Xlwings add-in under COM add-ins if it's not active automatically. Next, run Xlwings Quick Start MIPRoject to generate a sample workbook and Python script you can edit. Once the Quick Start is loaded, press the Run Python button on the ribbon to ensure the round trip works, and to verify Python communicates with the active workbook. To finish, point Xlwings to the correct Python interpreter via Xlwings conf or the ribbon settings so Excel invokes the intended environment. Then test common tasks, reading and writing a range, and running a Python-backed macro. If things go wrong, check 3 common issues: mismatched Excel and Python bitness, the interpreter path not on path, or the add-in not enabled in COM add-ins. If you still hit errors, restart Excel and rerun Xlwings add-in install. That often resolves registration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.